Guys are wondering what I was doing over there, it's all of a sudden plan. It just happened within a couple of days. All of a sudden, I have come again to the Western Ghats to explore. I guess you would have got some clues where I am, so let me just take you near to this. I've been completely surrounded by mountains, and we are in a small town in Chikmagalur district, so we are in Berur now. Berur is like very near for Kemmangundi, so I would not be visiting Kemmangundi actually. There are many other unexplored places around, so I'll be just visiting few of the places. I don't know which all places we would be visiting it up, but trust me, it's gonna be fully covered up with ghats and full of greenery around. I'll just leave the location and description, so whatever places I visit. So sunlight is directly hitting on my eyes. I wish I had goggles with me, but anyways, let's continue this journey on. So as you guys know, I was in Berur, so right now I am heading towards to Chikmagalur. So there were two routes for me to take up. One was going back to Berur and then the Chikmagalur highway, and the one more route was coming from Lingdalli and the inner road of this ghat section. Just have a look at it, guys, it's amazing. Sharad, so he was riding for some time. So we are near somewhere to Chikmagalur now, and if we are in Chikmagalur, it's always a must to have a coffee over here. So this is known as a land of coffee estates and all. So we'll just have a cup of coffee. So we have got our snacks for the day, and if you see right what all we have got, some chai, some hot pakoras with some peanut masala. So what more is required when you have such a beautiful background? So whatever you see in this white line, right? So these are the clouds. Man. Let's try to gulp this as soon as possible as it is hot and we don't want to miss this crispy vadas.
Yum.
Let's finish this out.
Ruined.
Please don't use plastic and spoil this beautiful mother nature. Big thumbs up for people who are maintaining this and following this up. Peace. We just had some good experience with this view that you enjoy your nature with naked eyes. So enjoy this time lapse. These are supposed to be the Mullangiri peak. This is Baba Budangiri.
And that is Devi Raman.
And this is Devi Raman Betta. So if you see this right, so this is Devi Raman Betta. So if you are reaching on the top of Baba Budangiri, you will be able to see this hills. And this is the highest peak of Karnataka, so we have covered this highest peak of Karnataka as well. Now you can just see this, man.